Good morning. A little late. Whew. Oh, there's open. Uh-oh. I had something not kosher. I'll have to go back and look at that. Hmm. Bought sweet. Yeah, maybe it was an eval that I had. Okay. Let me turn that off. Yeah, I'll add stuff later. I'll add other things later. All right, that's done. I'm not going to do anything else with that, so let me get out of there. Go back to here. Oh, we passed through that. If we get a close above this, I will take that. Let me get to a 2-minute chart. 15 seconds. My long would be above 59.75. Oh, I didn't have TCS on. It just took, oh, I'm going to miss it. Damn it. 2040. Yeah, I didn't have it on. 45. Oh, where are you at? Yep, damn it. It's going to take 20 and 36, so it might be done for the day. Fuck you. That's what happens when I get playing around with, good morning, Michael. I got playing around with freaking code and stuff doing this stuff. I added a bunch of stuff to this. If we come back to 45, I'll probably take it. Dang it. If we get up to 80, it looks like 80, 82, that'll be target 2. And I probably would just buy one. I don't like it because it's going to come down. We could fill some gaps here on the 1 minute. Thank you. Oh, you sucker fish. Yep. There's target. Oh, didn't get it. Still got a chance. There you go. Now I got it. Shit. 56 points. Son of a biscuit eater. Yep, he's locked out. I could change it for him to take the next trade. I just don't know if I want to. Yeah, I'll give it a shot. So officially, I gotta show this as this is the way it's going to be recorded, 20 and 36. But what I'm going to do is put the time to after time 34, 35, and then it'll take this one out and we'll do a new one. It'll start the next one. So that's what I'm going to do just to get another trade in if I can. So right now the time is set for 9:31. I'm going to set it to 9:34 and see if that works. It should. Yep. Nope. That didn't work. I'm going to have to go to 9:35. Okay, there we go. So I'll turn that on. If I can take the next one, I'll just be a little cautious of it. And there we go. Okay, so we got a 5-minute break above at 94. Ugh, makes me want to take it. Thinking we're going to head up to that 38.2. $38.2 is roughly around 138. Is that what you got, Michael? There we go. Got above VWAP. We just came down back and retested it. Damn it. I'm a day late and $1 short today. Okay, looking for 138. See if I can catch that. Oh, I'm on the wrong fucking account too. I'm gonna get out of this. Actually. Oh, fuck you. Oh, there we go. Boy, I got some crazy price action here. Okay, target on the 15-minute be about 156. 138 for the 5-minute fib. I wanted to add to this, but I just wasn't quick enough. Yeah, maybe it'll come down and get me. Yep. All right, now I'm set up correctly. Okay, we got up to 125, not quite the 138 we were looking for. Michael, if you want to jump on Discord. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I'm in. If you have time, if you want to. All right, we're coming back down, coming back to VWAP. Oh. 1 second. So a new 5-minute candle. We got a potential reversal or continuation candle. So if we break up like we are, might just be a long here. So if we get back above 100, I'll take that long.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Very good. Thank you. On the 15-minute chart, you could actually draw a trend line from up here straight down. Yep. So on the higher time, on the 15-minute, we're actually just making a higher or lower high. So if this holds. $205. Nope. Let's see what happens here. Okay, trying to get back above VWAP. Yeah, I got the playing with code, and fucking next thing I know, I heard, oh, market's going to open in 4 minutes. I'm like, what?
Yeah, I thought maybe I didn't see, so I thought maybe you were there.
I get into a tunnel.
Yeah.
Get into a tunnel vision. All right, I'm gonna try this above VWAP. Ooh, maybe glad I didn't. Yeah, I'm gonna try it right there. Oh, come on, nothing. There we go. There's 20. Oops, didn't get it. I'm gonna shoot for that 138. Oh. Oh, I should have taken that. Damn it. Let's go. Come on. Yep, I should have taken that amount. Should have taken that 20 pointer. Okay, I don't like the 5-minute because we put in a lower low that previous candle. Oh, damn it. Damn it. I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute to close. Got a minute left. Okay, let me, I'm going to change my higher time frame on this thing to 15 minute. Let's see what it shows. So we got the London high way up here at 205. The London low, which we did not take out in cash session, is down here at 973. TCS is looking for a short. Not quite ready yet though. We'll need to come down below probably the 1 minute weighted moving average, or around 25,026. You can see right now we just snapped down to the 20 EMA on the 5 minute. I'm going to get rid of this 21 EMA. It does me no good up there. I don't think it does anybody else any good.
Inside of this big 5 minute gap yet.
Yep. Yep. You know, I could also put a fib on from cash session. Right? Came down to the 61.8 there.
Yep.
If we drop back below top control, I'll take that short. All right, this is a little distracting for me. I'm going to take this off for right now. Yeah, I missed that. I got distracted. But you could have done something like this. Damn it. Got time. I have no problem just letting this thing kind of play out a little bit. Come on, get up there and give it to me. 117. Come on. Damn it. I'm going to lock in 10. And I don't know what I locked in. Yeah, 138. Damn it. Got close.
Yeah.
You gonna take that short?
Yeah, I was going to. Trying to be patient. Normally I get into early, so how far did we get up there?
33.
2. Fuck yeah. Oh, it's about,
Yeah, there's nothing you can do about that though.
I know it's so often. Sometimes I like to take it early because sometimes we don't get there.
Yeah.
But when I do take it early, we get there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You
it's
can't.
best to wait.
Yeah, you can't.
Yeah. Just best to wait, and if you don't
Yep.
get it, you don't get it.
Yep. Exactly right. Let this play out a little bit. Oh,
And it's bouncing early. Bounces early, resists early, just missing me.
just a little slow. No, there's 138, 137.50. But we're looking pretty strong, so I don't know if I want to take that short or not. We just took the 15-minute long here. That's why I don't really like it. At 124. Damn it. I got a little FOMO there. Come on.
Jump in.
Yeah, I jumped in. I'm going to regret it. Come on. Keep going. At least just get a little back trace back down to maybe like 100 or something.
Yeah, we may, yeah.
I mean, I,
this thing keeps coming down, but
yeah. I mean, a minute 127, which is 10 points short of what I should have been in at.
yep.
Oops, I didn't want to do that. So there we go. Okay, got some. Gonna get, yeah, got some of it back. That's good. It's a good trade. All right, heading back up. I might even take this long here. Yep. Oh, didn't quite get it. Oh, there we go. Do we keep going down? That's the question. Come on, get up there. Yep. Damn it. 123 came down to 106. Okay, so 125. Ooh. Yeah, that's where I want to be long at. We got a target on the 15-minute of 156 is target 1. And then right around 203 for target 2.
Yeah. Targeting those wicks.
Yep. Yep. What's that high? 157.75. And then 205. So if we get up to around 154, I'll lock in 150 there. Should be close to 25. Come on, go. Let's go. Oh, come on. Got to 51. Come on, give me 53, 54. Oh, we got a new 5 minutes, so that's what the pullback is. It's just done a gap fill, 5 minute.
Yeah.
Oh, you fucker. Should have just locked her in. We can come back a little bit. Got 4 minutes left on the 15, so I wouldn't anticipate much. See if we can add one. Come on, give me something. So I'll take 50, 56 if I can get it. Oh, come on. Don't. Damn it. There we go. That's where I want to be. All right, 3 minutes left on the 5. Maybe we can start getting a push up. 3 minutes left on this 15. Would like to get a nice, man, would like to push that 57. If we can get up there to that 57, we could get a nice boost up and then target that 205 area. Come on, baby, let's go. All right, I'll lock one. Oh, fuck. Come on, give me something to lock in. There we go. One push. Oh. There we go. All right, so we locked in one. That's good. I probably should have just taken both off. Got to get above that 57. Come on. Push it up. Got 2 minutes on this 15, so I'll get out with a minute. Maybe a little less. There we go. All right, I'm going to lock in that 57. 58, that was my original target. There we go. We're going to come back now. There we go. Go. Oh, come on. There we go. I'll lock in 70. So that's about 50 points. All right, nicely done. Nicely done. Okay, get rid of the 5-minute fibs. So we got a lower high we could take out here at 206. And then a higher high at 249 or 2 something on the 15-minute.
Yeah, 249, yeah.
Yep. So I think this is a big one to take out if we can take out that 205. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, quite a move up. There we go. Gonna take out that lower high, at least trying to.
Measured move, 198.
Oh, oh, we just hit it.
Measured movement of the lows.
Get out of there. Come on. Get out of here. Hey. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Get over here. Oh, maybe that was it. We lost him.
Yeah.
Oh, I was trying to get nutty. But I don't even know if he knows he's off the air. What are we doing?
Rejected at that measured move. See if we can come down to this to a gap here. But
So session high 209. So we did take out that higher time frame. Well, 15-minute lower high. Is that right?
on the London high.
Oh, and the London high. Yes, we did. We swept it.
Yeah.
Well, that's interesting.
Yeah, this reverses would be interesting because London high plus that measured move were so close together.
Yeah.
It's not given up yet. So
That's actually a hour also. High time frame. So I got my thing down below set up for the hour time frame on the 15-minute chart. So that's a lower high. We just there at well, lower high because of the London high, right?
yeah. Yep.
So if we reject here, I wouldn't do anything yet. I'm waiting for this 5-minute to close.
Yeah, we gotta wait. Gap here at 61.
Yeah. I just threw it on the chart. There's another one that has not been filled yet. And then we got one from the 8:30 also.
Correct.
Okay, 10 minutes on this 15 minutes. So we could actually have two red candles on the 5-minute. 5-minute short would be at 165.75. Probably wouldn't be too bad of a short down into that gap. You know, and the thought is that we're going to fill that gap down to 140. That's 20 points. Okay, we're up 50 points on NASDAQ right now. I think I'll take that. Get a little repeat. Come on. There we go. Oh, come on. You can do it. Get on down there. My stop should be up there. Definitely a counter trend. But if we can come down, I would even probably take 148 just above the, oh, that's the 1 minute, 21. Actually, I don't think I even want that on here, because all it does is confuse me. So on the 1 minute, so actually I'm going to drop her back down. See if I can get that. I'll lock in 10 as soon as I can. If I can. So that'd be about 55. Just because we'll have to watch it here. Might get taken out. It's looking a little active. Yep. Yep. There you go. You got a little trend line, potential trend line break here. Something like that. I still will take that short down. I think we're going to close that gap up, Michael.
Yep, I think so too.
There you go. Got a little bit back there.
Yep, I took that short as well.
Nice.
25.
Yep. Nice, nice. And we're going to get some more.
As soon as you took out that London top.
Yeah. Yeah, it was just a good sweep of the high, get some liquidity grab, and just, you know, dump her down. So we just filled the 15-minute, for the most part, gap if there was going to be one.
Raining thunderstorms or so. I don't know.
Oh,
Let's just see what the weather looks like. Yeah, looks like it's okay now. Back up again. It's so weird.
okay. So that's short. Technically, I could take this short right here. I really don't want to, but you could take a 1 minute short based on a cross.
Now, if you move as we trade up here into that gap that we just closed.
Yep.
Gotta think that's gonna be some resistance now.
Yeah. Oh.
Can go all the way up to 62.
Yeah.
Trend line on this move up.
Yep.
It's pretty steep. It's pretty steep.
Like the one I got on shown on the chart.
What do you say? Oh yeah, I drew it from the lows going up.
Ah.
Almost like if you're looking for the shorts, but we kind of didn't come down to it. Almost there.
All right, new 5 minutes, so we could get a fake out here.
Yep, there's 62. And
You taking that short?
No, I'm not taking it. It's too strong here, this move. But it's probably gonna work.
If we come back down through 48 there, I'll take it.
Yeah, I'd rather take it when I'm in the direction of the trend, in the move at least. Okay,
Yeah, because right now we're busting up. Yeah, we got 4 minutes left on this 15. They could bring her back up there and put a nice little doji. I probably don't want to be in that trade. I don't think yet.
there you go. See, there we go. We just overshot that gap there. Look at that.
Yeah. All right, my original thought was to get in at 47 on the short. But I'm glad I didn't at this point.
I'm just gonna wait a second.
Yep. All right, we got 4 minutes left on the 15, so I think that'll tell us. I might just get chopped up here.
Yeah, that's not getting chopped up.
Come on, baby.
Not in the chopped up mood.
Let's go. Nope. Almost got something. All right, I'm going to get aggressive on my stop and bring her down. So 45. There's 40. I'll just cut it way back. Here we go. All right, there's 10 points. I should have taken it. Yeah, I should have taken it. Damn you.
Are you short enough?
Yeah, I'm short. I didn't take it. I should have taken the points. This is too easy for them to rip it back up with 2:43 left on the 15. Because it was 20 points. I should have locked in 10. I'll try it again. I'm a glutton for some punishment. Come on, give me 10. Let me get 10 back. So what is that? 45 down to 35. There we go. Come on, give me 35. Nope. 35 and I'll take it out. Oh, you fucker. 140 left on the 15. I'm eating away some profit here. Just like that. All right, so that tells me we're going to hold. Come on, give it to me. Give me that quick 20-point push-up. Last minute to go. Come on. Nope. There we go. There we go. A little bit higher. Come on. Nope. Looks like we're going to put in like a resistor to a doji at this point on the 15. 40 seconds left. There's that move up. Damn it. Too many trades. Okay, new 15. A 15-minute short is below 125. That gap is still supporting. Okay, dude, what the fuck are you doing? Good morning, Ravine. Good morning. I got nothing at this point. I got a oh, here. Always like to have my 15-minute little candle out. See, we got that doji candle up there. This could just be a short, just flat out. What? Damn it. Yeah. I'll take the 15-minute short when we drop below the low there. I'll take that right there. Oh, come on. Don't fill that gap. Okay, I'm going to just take this one off just in case they decide they want to fill that gap up to 159. I'd like to come back down to VWAP. I will add here, right here.
Where are you showing? 31?
Yeah, 31, yeah. What I'm going to do is if I pick up 2 there, I'm going to drop my stop to break even at where I was.
Man, that was crazy.
What?
I took that short with you.
Oops.
Put that wick down, 25 points.
Nice.
That's crazy. That's your MNQ, stupid.
Okay, I'm not sure why I didn't get 2040 set up. There we go. Come on, baby. Damn it. Boy.
So now,
I'm just going to take it off. All right, got back some back there. Not the best trading, I'll have to admit. Oh, fuck. Okay, I'm going to set up for a 20 point. I'm going to take that shot again right here.
It came up to like 45.
Yeah, probably right where my stop is.
That gap up 45 to 57, so in that gap.
Yeah.
Just because we kind of just took out the structure this previous area.
Yep.
But I don't know if it's going to get there. You know, if I'm there waiting for it, probably not getting there.
Okay, I'm going to say we're going to take out this gap, this next gap down on the 1 minute, which means we should drop VWAP. Okay, so I'm up 15. I'll lock in 5, just in case we get down to VWAP and bounce.
Yeah, the 1 minute weighted is at 81, 82.
Yep.
And it's inside of that buy side gap.
Yes, because we got the 5 minute 20 just above that at 86. Come on, baby. All right, we got 10 minutes left, so they could do a. Oh, TCS just took a trade. So I'm out of my Mr. Fibs. going to take one off. There we go. Why do I still have that? Oh, that's why. There we go. All right, fix that. Target one is 27 points at 81. Since this is the second trade for TCS, I'm going to go ahead and go to break even. And we got pretty close to that target one. I took one off already. And we're above VWAP, which I don't like. So there we go. Yep, I'm going to lock in right there. Call it good. Yeah. Okay, I'm good. Even if TCS comes down to that target, which it looks like it's going to at 81, fuck you. Dude, leave the trade alone.
Yeah.
Okay, so entry is at 107.
There it is.
Fuck you. Just took, so TCS just took that 27, and then the next target is right here at about 58. If anybody's interested, I'm obviously not in it, but here it is. There you go. Yeah. See, the way I used to play last year, where I was playing TCS was I was playing for like 150 points. I just let it run.
Yeah.
And instead of stopping it at 50. And man, more times than not, that thing frickin' will get up there in the points. Then I'd stop about 100 points or something and say, okay, that's good enough.
Yeah, it's God, and the short is
Beautiful setup. Sorry, we played it pretty decently. Wasn't bad. Wasn't great. Damn it. $28.
probably lots going on. CPR.
Um, okay, we're now down 110. So pretty good chance we take out that low.
985 is the 15 minutes. Is it?
Well, there's a 962 here.
Yeah, 962.
75, 962.75. Yeah, there's a 15-minute low at 962.75.
Yeah, the 15-minute opening range, 986. We haven't, no, IB's not formed yet, so.
Right. But we got a morning low at 9:30 at that low, at 9:28, something like that.
That would be IB. Okay, it's 985, assuming
Yes, correct.
we don't break it down. Yeah.
Yep. Okay. We actually don't have very many gaps above us. We didn't leave. We left this one. I'm going to put it on the thing right now. It might fill it before I can even put it out there. Right there.
Yep.
On the 1 minute. So from session low to session high, we've exceeded the 78.6. I'd like to come back up into that gap.
Yeah, me too.
Yep. There is a 5-minute gap. Okay, so we just filled that 5-minute gap. That would actually have been a good, that would have been a good long right there at 02. So the high of that bottom candle there on the 15-minute was 02.25. So we've hit that. And then I would look for like a 10-point bounce from there. Oh, didn't get it. Now we got it. Oh, pretty close.
We just closed that gap on.
On the 5-minute?
Yeah,
yes.
The 5 minutes, yeah. 97 area. So 02 on the 5 minutes.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, and the 1 minute it's
95.
97.
Yep.
Yep. 96.
Yep. It looks like they want to take that.
Yep, there we go.
95.50.
Just closed it now. Yeah. So down the pivot is at 952, just below the pivot, 10 points is the bull zone.
Yes.
So,
I really was hoping for a move back up to this gap, man. Doesn't look like we're going to get it. I would have taken that short. And ideally, if it came back up to the top control, that's what I was really looking for, is 44.
Yeah, that would have been great.
Yep.
Gap there, yeah.
Yep. Right up there, 44. That would have been perfect. So you have the gap, you have top control, all good things to happen.
Yeah, go like that.
Okay, we've got 20 seconds left on the 15. So, and it's a strong bearish candle, right? Look how big that candle is. So, nice reversal on the 15. Look at that. Look at that reversal candle. Beautiful. Doesn't get much better.
Another massive missed opportunity.
No, I wouldn't agree. I think I took you took a 25. I took a I don't even remember what all I took, but we had some good trades in there. So I'd say
No, there was some good trades, but I mean,
all right, there's IB.
Was,
Or opening range, sorry.
Points, right? Stay in some of these,
Yep.
Okay, there's your IB. Yep.
Damn it. Wow. That was shitty.
What happened?
Oh, I took a short. I jumped in.
Yeah. I didn't realize it.
Going down to the pivot. Oh, I wanted to pivot, but didn't quite get it. Oh, what happened? Oh, fuck. Wrong account. Damn it. Ah.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Bull zone, bear zone.
Yeah.
There it is. Pivot.
No, we hit the pivot. We haven't hit the bull zone yet.
No, not yet. Yep. Close. Shit, man.
Look at that IB. That's the old IB we're talking about right there.
Yeah, that was a fucking.
Nice little 50 pointer.
Yeah, 1 minute there. That 1 minute green.
Yeah.
Just have to go short on a break of that.
Yep.
Fuck, man, it's sloppy.
Okay, we're into the bull zone.
Yeah. Fucking.
Got a relatively new 15 minute, so pretty big zone. This is from 841.50 to 940. 100-point zone. That, to me, you know what that spells? Trouble.
Trouble.
That's right.
Trouble. I think they wrote a song about that.
You think they did? All right, we're coming up to that big 1 minute gap. Here, let me control copy V.
62. There we go.
There we go. Let's see what we do here. There's a 1 minute gap, 15-minute gap. I mean, there's all kinds of gaps everywhere. So in the 2 minute, if we, oh, that's a high break. We'd have to break above 15 for me to go long. So, all right, we're inside that gap now. Let's see if we can close that gap up here at 92. You know, maybe get up there to 25,000, which that's a big number break, right? That was another reason IB was a perfect play there. Or that break of that to 1 minute candle, that green 1 minute candle. Or the 2 minute candle right there. That break there down because it's 25,000 and IB. You had two. All right, so we got up to, this could just be a retest of IB also at 85. So I got to be conscious of that, which means that means I'd have to take the break of the gap at 57 if I want to go short. But then you're taking a short right into the pivot at 51. Yeah. If we'd come up there and tag IB right now, I would take the short if we drop back below 74. Because we could fill that gap down to 56, so you could get a solid 20 there. Yeah, I can't take that. Damn it. Nope. Come on, fill that gap.
Yeah. I need it to go up higher because these are the shorts that kind of kill me.
Yep. So 68 down to 58. That's 10 points, but shit. I wouldn't have got it there unless I would have had my thing set at 10. I'm set at 20. Come on, get up there.
Come on, man. Nope. So we took out that low there.
Yep.
The London low as well. So now,
yep.
A move up like above, say, 0.015. So if we can get a strong move up 0.015 for me, like, and then leave a gap, and then maybe come into the gap for a long, but I can't take a long here now.
Yeah, the 2-minute play would be a long right above 983. I don't like that, but it's there.
Yeah, it's more aggressive. Yes,
Yeah.
sure. I'd have to see it take out some structure there, like almost the same as our short.
Yeah.
But
Or move above 93, fill that gap, and then you also got the 14 EMA, right? Right now it's at 25,000. All right, so there's the move. So if we move back down into IB, I'll take the short.
there you go. So take it out. Take out that gap.
Yep.
Yeah, let's see if it's got any more legs. So just
Yep. There's that 983 long I was talking about. That's just a 2-minute long. That's all that was. Kind of like your 5-minute longs. We got 8 minutes left on the 15. It'd be interesting to see how they close this 15-minute.
can now this gap they just closed, the sell side gap, could that now be support?
Yep. That's why I'm sitting below IB.
I like the long.
Yeah, I don't really like the short either.
Yeah, exactly.
But I'm going to take it.
That is a long move. Let's see what it can do first.
Yeah, it's going to take me out. That's what it can do.
I'm short on
Yeah, I did. I took the short, and I'm out for 10, minus 10.
I did. Just too close to the lows. Okay, now there you go. It's taken out 13 rounding. It's not yet. And now there
Yep.
you go.
There you go.
Now we've got to see if we can leave the gap. No, blown many accounts that fell short the lows.
Yeah.
Not today.
All right, so that gap is filled. I'm going to delete it.
Yeah. So now it didn't leave a gap on the buy side, unfortunately. But
Nope.
from that sell side gap DL, if you take a low of 90, it goes back there. 91.
Yep. We got 6 minutes left on this 15. And you can see we got almost a green doji. It's actually red now. It was green. So I'm going to just kind of hang out and wait and see how that develops.
Just sit on my hands for a second.
We did not leave very many sell side gaps.
No, got one coming up now.
Yep.
And there's another one above it up there, but yeah, there's not too many above that. Just one big one right at the top. I'm not leaving a goddamn gap in the buy side either. There's a gap now. There's a gap. Sell side.
Yep.
Also CPR.
Top control.
Yep.
This is where I originally wanted to come up to when we first broke it.
Yep.
And you almost got to take that long. Fuck.
Yeah, fuck man. The deal was right.
67.
Yes. So I could go trim line up and 7 on it. NASDAQ showing some relative strength.
Yep.
Wow. There's the 1 minute now.
Okay, we got a cross at 29. Hit the 5-minute weighted moving average and the 1 minute weighted moving average.
Yeah.
3 minutes left on this 15. Okay, we got to close above the 5-minute 20 EMA. I can't ask for a better number to go long at.
What's that number? 60.
Well, I'm going to drop her down. If we can get back above the 1 minute again, I'll take that long. 68. It should be technically 66. I mean, it should have probably triggered it, but that's why I don't play the wick.
I was going to say, or a pullback here to 30.
All right, there we go.
Yeah.
And if we come a little higher, I'll add another one right there. See if I can get it going. So I'm going to drop this to 86. Oh, never mind. I got taken out. That one hurt.
Yeah, pull back here to the pull back to this gap here.
2040.
There's the gap now. There's your gap.
Oops, I can't see.
The market's dropping now. Breaking the trend line, let's move up. Fuck, man.
Yeah, 1 minute, 20 seconds left on the 15. Probably didn't want to, but too late. Took one off just to reduce my risk in case we go long or short. Go. Come on, baby, go. Okay, just keep it at 20. All right, 22 seconds. I'm going to sit on my hands for the 15-minute here. Actually, I messed up there because we came back down close. The short would have been at 46. Yep, took 30. Okay, new 15-minute candle, and it looks like they're buying it.
Overshot that gap there by a couple points.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Okay, if we close back above that 20 EMA, for the 5 minute above 62. With the 2 minute, I will add. We're back above top control. Well, momentarily. Oof, probably don't like this. Got to get a close above. Well, it looks like 62, 63 for a long to work out. No, looks like it might be a short then, huh? No, come on, baby, let's go. All right, if we come back down, I probably don't want to be in the trade. All we did was come down to the 14 EMA. Yeah.
Tricky.
Yep.
Could this be the long? Yeah. It's gonna just.
I think if we get a move above 63, 66 for sure, might just be to add one. If I get that adder, I'll lock in at 60 just to reduce my risk down. There we go. Go. Come on. Oh, one off. Okay, now I can play my standard. If we close above the 20 EMA, 5 minute 20.
Yeah.
How much time I got? Let's see. I still got a minute and a half, so I can't take that trade yet. Yeah, I might get taken out here. Okay, I don't like that. I'm gonna get out. Yep. Yeah, that one hurt. Trying to anticipate.
Yeah, I know. I just didn't like the way that was. I just didn't like the long was shorter.
Okay, we closed above the 20. We went below, got 30. There was 30 points there. We closed above, you hardly got anything. And then we've closed below it again at 53. So technically, I could take a short right here, but I don't like it. I don't like that 15 minute not doing anything.
No. Dacht niet het vet.
Yeah, Yeah, you gotta, this is what you got right there, a little bit late. Nope, I'm gonna sit on my hands, wait. Move back above VWAP, I'm gonna take it long. Would have been nice to come down. I would have taken it at 61 if we got there.
Yeah, we just came and whipped on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
69.
All right, so the 15-minute is showing a long. What's that high there? 72. Come on, get down there. Get back down there. Let me get it at 72. Nope. Okay, where are we going? We could fill that gap up at 124. Why, this is just wicked. Okay, I don't want to be a part of that gap fill, so. Still got 7 minutes left on the 15, so if we're going to go, we don't have to go yet. Two. All right, I'm going to put my stop right there. We'd like to add there at 72, not so much at 85. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Get up there to 98. Damn it. Ah, you fuck. Okay, stop what you're doing. Come on, let's get back above VWAP.
Oh shit.
What did I do yesterday? Kind of before I ended the stream, I was break even, and then 30 minutes afterwards, I was up a K, 1,000.
Yeah, you said that thing to me, like, oh shit, and I know, because they had that move, I knew you, I saw the trade you took.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I saw the trade you took.
Yeah. Son of a gun.
It's tough area.
Yep. That's why I'm trying to sit on my hands for a few.
Damn it. Pick up, kind of back into the 50% of the opening 15 minutes. I think so, yeah. I'm trying. Yeah, it's tough, man. Not much advantage here.
Nope. 2 minutes left on the 15, so I'll wait for that one. Back above 72 from here might give us a spurt up.
Trading just below the 50% of the range from the overnight high to now. Yeah. I'll just sit in your hands.
Do I buy the bottom of that trend line? $53 seconds left on the 15. If we're going to move, this would be the time to go.
I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay.
Oh, God, my legs. I'll be back.
Come on, push up. Let's get above VWAP. Come on. So I was way late on that one. Should have taken it at 73. You fucking bastard. Let's go. Come on, baby. Get up there. Don't take me out. Come on. Fuck you. Above 72, you got to stay in the trade. So bring her down here. Oh, if we drop that trend line, though, we could plummet. Yep. I don't like it. Time to get out. Might not take that short. Come on, let's go down and touch top control. Down to 44. Okay, that's good enough. Let's go back down. All right, well, scared the shit out of the cat. Took the short. We're now back below top control, which is about 45 right there. Come down to the pivot, which is 950 if we can make it there. Okay, we're leaving a gap, so I'm going to go ahead and yeah, there you go. Damn it. 27. Damn, I gave up 20 points there. I'll try one more time at top control, see if we can hold it. If we come down to 15, 14, I'll lock in the 34. Come back down to 28. I'll add one and place a stop around 35. Come on, get down to 14. I need it to hold 34 here. That's the 38.2 of that move up. Well, maybe not quite. There we go. 33. If we can come down to 14, I'd probably take one off. Right there. I'll just keep bringing her down until I get wicked out. Right there. Perfect. Okay, that's the 50% of that move up, which is a 14 roughly. I'll shoot down to IB, see if we can get IB. Okay, 10 more seconds. We got 6 minutes left on the 15. We're probably going to fill that gap right there, so I'll take one off right there, same place. And if we keep coming down, I'll just bring her on down. Coming up to the 61.8, got pretty close. Need 94, so I'd like to drop to 93, and then I'll lock in 95 or something. If we get there. We're going to do a little bouncy bounce here. Come on, baby. See if it comes down to 93.
Yeah. That's that short.
Yep, I'm going to go down to the 70.2. Yeah, actually, if we drop there, we're going to drop there. So, all right, got to watch for a little gap fill in here going on. So here's the 61.8. We just hit that. So I'm going to just put my stop there at 02 and call it good and be happy with that. We got down to 91. Oh, we're going to maybe keep going. I'll keep dropping her down. If I can lock in 94, 95, I'll lock it in if I can. If we can get down to maybe 85, that'll be IB. Okay, we just hit IB. So I'll lock in the 95 now. Looks like that's probably what I'm going to get. 13 seconds left on this candle on the 1 minute. A minute left on the 2. There we go. Nice move down. I'll go to IB if I can get down below 80. There we go. So now I'm at IB. Just going to use IB as my little protector. I'll go down to the pivot now. 78.6 is at 65. And if we get there, shit, I'll just go ahead and take that. I'll just take that. And that gives me about 60 points, I think. 66 from 28. I don't know what that number is, but come on, there we go. Good trade. Good trade.
Wow.
66, 28. What's that? 32. 60 points.
Got back your, no, you got back your P&L.
Yep. What does that tell you? Time to stop trading.
You know, you got to be a little ahead of where you were, but
Yeah. Good 60 pointer. That's what I'm talking about. And that was based on fibs. So here's what I did. If anybody was interested, I just took it from the low here to the high. And I got in at 28 right here. My thinking was we came down. There weren't very many gap fills. Here, I'll do it on here. But we had a green candle up and then thought, okay, if we can come back down. So I entered in around 28. And then I just started following my fibs down, right? And now those were my stops. You heard me talk about 93, 94, 79, 65 was thing. So I put it right at 66. Said, well, if they take me out, they take me out. I'm good with that. So
I see the 5-minute inside ball failed.
oh, did it?
Yeah, it took a long and got stopped.
Okay.
It went short, so. Yeah, but with the,
So, and then a typical from the high to this low, because we broke the 23.6. You probably can't see it, but we actually went up to the 78.6 up here and then made the move down. So my original entry would be around the 50%. So probably should have been right here. What would have been the perfect play at 60.
now it's bouncing.
Yeah, I mean, there you go. We went down to the 78.6 and we're bouncing, right? So now what you do is you play 78.6 to 78.6. So if you take your fibs, put them from the high down to this low, now you're looking for a 78.6 move, 67 up here, and then you would take that short for another 78.6, because this could be how we just kind of go up and down, you know, unless they just tank it here. I don't know. There's 41 seconds on the 15th, so I would have to wait for that 15-minute. But so typical play would be this play right here. Is since we were above the 23.6, we actually rejected at the 38.2. We could just continue down. But what I would look for is a move from here up. So I would look for something around here, around 978, 973, 969 to hold. If that doesn't hold, then c'est la vie.
So is your P&L back to where it was before?
Probably close. Yep. You know, like I always say, it only takes one good trade to wipe out a multitude of sins, right? A multitude of bad trades. Well, not bad trades. You're going to have losing trades. It doesn't matter how, I don't care who you are. You're going to have losing trades. You're going to lose. You know, you can have a win rate of 40%, but all you got to do is hold on to your winners longer than you hold on to your losers. That's why I stick with 10-point stops. It works for me. Doesn't work for everybody.
That's why having stopping at daily goal is also not a bad idea.
Yep.
Like blackjack, man. The longer you sit at that table.
Yep.
And catch you eventually.
I mean, every time you put risk on. So the short right now for me is at 956.
956. Yeah.
That's a 15-minute short.
Into the pivot there. Fuck.
Yep. It doesn't matter really. The pivot's immaterial at this point.
Yeah, well, not so much the pivot, but the pivot and then the bullseye then. I mean, eventually we're going to go through it, but you could get chopped around here for a bit. With a 10-point stop for sure. But
Watch this. This is the short right here.
look at this Dow. It's down by 800.
Dow's down 800?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the reason why.
Yeah.
Look at that 15-minute right here. Look at that 15-minute right here on the chart. Look at that, baby. Look at that reversal candle. It's just a beautiful thing.
Yeah. See if we can take out these lows, please. Yes, I'm fucking bombing away up there.
Come on, take out the 15-minute short. Prior 15-minute candle. Oh. Nope, I'm going to get chopped. Come on. Get down there. Give me 57. Then I don't care where you go. All right, we're staying here too long. I'm going to drop my stop down. If we come down to 57, I'll put my stop at 59. Oh, sweep, sweep, sweep. There we go. I'm out. I'm going to be out. Come on. Drop it then.
This fucker is trying. Oh, you could get a really, if you can break this low, I can get a really fucking ugly candle.
All right, we're dropping the pivot.
Yep.
Oops, tried to lock in. Damn it. He rejected me. Yeah, I'm out. Oh, it was worth the shot. All right. That's all I got. I'm done for the day. I'll just keep what Peasley little money I got. It's not much.
500 or something?
Yeah. But I got a new I got a new Take Profit Pro account that I'm trying to baby along till I get some some numbers there. I didn't feel good this morning just because I was late behind, and then fucking TCS took that trade and I didn't have it on. I had it in the off position. It showed the trade. It took the trade. Then I set up the second one so it would take another trade, and it took that one, but I didn't feel comfortable with it because it's the second trade, and it took that one. So I don't even know what it's going to end up. I don't remember what it was ending up with, but let me put her back the way she was. 931. And here's this is what it ended up with, was 55 points. So that was the first trade. It took this trade also and got 77 or something, but I can't record that. I have to record this one. So 55.5.
It looked like we broke there.
Yep.
And we just bounced on the fucking bullseye. 42.
55.5, 1 win, 0 losses. Okay. So yesterday it took a 144-point loss, which happens.
Yep.
And these are where the numbers are. You can see what I recorded today was 55.5, 1 win, 0 losses. And the numbers for this month are 38.25. Still, it's not great. It's not bad. Yep. 6 trades, 5 winners, 1 loser, and 3 winning days. So we'll see if we can get to like an 8-point stretch there where it has 8 wins in a row, 7 wins in a row. That would be nice.
Oh, yeah.
You know, as a reminder, this was February's numbers, which historic numbers, best numbers I think I've seen with the 50-point play. Meaning I stop at 50 points. I used to play it and used to take 100 points and I would record that, but I went to this a little more conservative playing. Even with the last day of the month losing 185 points, ended up with 907. So great win rate.
bounce. But
Yep. So far for the year, we're averaging, I mean, you can't really add, Marches in, but it does. And so far, we're averaging 535 points a month. 660 for January, 907 for February, and just 38 points so far for March. That number will rise. It should average around 600. That's like the yearly average. So I think last year was pretty close to that. All right, that's all I got. I do got to record the bot suite real quick. I still got to go back and look at Tuesday's data too, because I don't remember and I didn't record it. Yep. Okay. So straight up today, got 35 points. Mine did not take the 5-minute trade, Michael, because it was past 11 o'clock.
Okay. Your opening range 2 minutes.
Yeah.
That was a stop out.
No. Remember, I had $100 or something like that on my thing. If you go back and look at it, it took both target 1 and target 2.
Yeah, Marwan. Oh, okay. Well, Marwan took target 1, but then got stopped on second one.
Is that
So
MNQ?
even.
MNQ or NQ?
MNQ.
Yeah, see, it's different.
Yeah.
NQ runs differently than NQ.
Yeah.
So that's why I do the proxy. That's why I run it in NQ, and then I take MNQ on my trades. So it'll take 35 and then nothing on the 5 minutes, and we'll still wait for the 15. It could take the 15 anytime. Yesterday, as an example, I don't know if I can show yesterday. Can I? Yeah. Yesterday took it at 3 o'clock or something like that. Nope. At 2:30, which is still in the play. I go up until 3 o'clock to play it. So it took the trade. The stop was way up here at 216. And it got the 20 and 20. That was yesterday. And
it's interesting because on NQ, on the 2 minute opening rate, it should have got stopped on short. Let me see. That's that.
Nope. Nope. Because look at this is the 2 minute, the 9:30 candle, which is technically 9:28 to 9:30.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. The low on the first candle, on the opening candle, okay, the low was 985.25. The low on this candle was 975. So there was 10 points difference. It never got down below here.
Oh, so wait, your 928 candle, your low was where?
975.75.
Yeah, we have a different low. That's what. Yeah. On NQ. Yeah, we have a different low. My low is 980.
What's your low of your next candle?
The next candle low.
Crazy.
975.
So that has to do with your broker.
Yeah, so that's why it's slightly different.
Yep. I'm using NinjaTrader.
Yeah, so this is,
And that's what I would recommend anybody who if you're trading this, I would trade with NinjaTrader. What I do is I pay $5, or actually I'm paying 12 now, 17 total. But I would pay the $12 a month or $5 a month and just get NQ. That way you're not reliant on Rhythmic or the data feed that they give you. I would pay the five, because you can get it for $5. You can pay for Ninja, and you can pay for just NQ. There's CME. It's a partial one, but you can pay just for, it'll give you NQ and a few other things, but you don't get like YM and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But what that gives you is a reliable data feed, in my opinion.
Let me look at this now.
I've had Ninja for 15 years, 16 years now. I've had their data feed. Always used it.
928. Okay, so
I mean, you can see my candles right here.
yeah, no, I'm looking at just on the trader rate. It looks like it's more comparable to yours.
Okay. Yeah, see, Rhythmic, I wouldn't trust, it's not trust. I probably a wrong choice of words, but if, because Rhythmic in the past for me, like 2 years ago, I mean, it wasn't nearly as good with Apex.
Yeah. So
And it always had so much problems, and everybody else was having problems, but I never had problems because I was using Ninja data feed.
NQ. Yeah, so on trader rate, would have taken the long way. You would not have been stopped out. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just weird. The two don't match. Two is just off.
Yep.
Fuck, man.
Okay, what day? Oh, I'm supposed to put the dates in there. That's why. Okay, so 3/2/2026, right? Yep. That's what I was missing. Okay, so 3/3. I don't know if I can see 3/3. Yeah. I didn't record this, so I wanted to go back and look at it. So okay, so the opening candle was here. Right? Yep, 932. So it should have gotten 15 and 20. So 35. And then the 5-minute.
Yeah, it happened at 11:05, so that's why I didn't take it.
Oh, there we go. 35. Yep. Okay, so the 5-minute was a loser on Tuesday. So that would be minus 60. And then the 15-minute was a winner. 20 and 20. 40. Okay. Good. So far, it might be worth playing this month. So far, you're up.
What's the net for the month before?
So far, 155.
Yeah.
But we're waiting for the 15-minute inside bar here
Yeah.
for the next one. It's up. Just the pre-2 market is up $115 or 115 points. So there's the majority of your points. Yeah, there's a reason why I stopped the 5-minute inside bar at 11 o'clock, right? Just historical, it failed after 11 almost every time.
Yeah.
But the 15-minute can play out any given time.
Yesterday, I don't think it happened, right? Yeah.
The 15-minute?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did?
Yeah, at 2:30.
Oh, two. Okay, that late. Oh, right. It happened late. Correct.
Yep.
Correct.
And you got both targets.
Right. I don't even think I was at the computer when it happened. Yeah.
No, right there. But it took a long time. So you got in at 2:30. You took the short. Actually, I'm sorry. At 2:34. And you didn't get paid until 3:08. So
yeah,
it was a little bit of time. Plus you took some heat. So let's call it 190 up to 206. Actually, not bad. 16. What's that? 26 points? No. Is that right? 190.
Yep.
10, 16, 17 points. There you go. So not bad. All right, we got a 15-minute long.
Yeah, we just came up shy of the 1 minute. Now looks like we can try go. Yeah, almost there. And injection.
Yeah.
Literally came up 2 points shy of the 1 minute. It's going to give you a 40-pointer.
Yep.
There it is. Wow. Yeah. Yep.
It's a great play if you can catch it.
Yep.
So now you got to watch for this. Yeah, get aggressive, be something like that.
Oh man. It's gonna, oh man. I'm losing patience.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done trading today. Okay, I'm done. I'm out. Thank you for being here. If you're here, if anybody can hit the like button on the way out, that'd be great. If not, okay, no worries. And I don't know. Should be down there with a thumbs up, right?
There you go.
Hey, thank you. Appreciate it. One a day is all I need. I don't fucking know. All right. Well, we'll do it again tomorrow. Ciao.
Yeah. Ciao.
Riding the lightning of a million screams, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the